Welcome back for another Unbox and Swatch video. Today we're going to be looking at the Lukas Aquarell 1862 Limited Edition set of 24 whole pan colors. This is the autumn set. I'm very excited to swatch these colors out and see what they've chosen to represent the colors of the fall. So without further ado, let's open it up. Let's take a look. The box has a little bit of copy on the back talking about the transparency and brilliance of the colors. Good paint flow, permanently moist consistency, basically saying they re-wet very easily. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. There we go. Okay, so with these limited edition sets, you get this really awesome tin. I love the Lukas tins. These are great travel palettes or even in studio palettes. They're going to hold all of these 24 colors right here. This is on a metal tray itself that's going to sit right on top of there very nicely. You're going to have 4 large mixing wells, a large mixing area here, and if that's not enough, you can always fold it over and use the back side. Also, these tins also have a little thumb hole or finger hole, whatever is the most comfortable way for you to hold your palette if you are painting plein air or you just like holding the palette while you paint. So we will put that aside. And then here we have our paints, and you can see they come wrapped in plastic, and each color is individually wrapped as well. So what I'm going to do is open this up. I'll just take the back of a brush here. All right. And we've got all of our colors here, and then you'll be able to just take this and slip it directly into here for your painting needs, and then the whole thing folds up nice and neat. Alright, so right now what we're going to do is get these paints opened up so that we can go ahead and swatch them. I do want to point out before we get started that this set does come with a Chinese white. This is a white gouache basically, and I usually start with the top left hand corner, so it's a little underwhelming that first swatch, but I still want to show you how it lifts and all that good stuff. So we're going to get ready and we'll get started. Okay, well, there you have it. This is our autumn set from Lukas Aquarell 1862 24 hole pans. And I have to say they did a great job capturing some wonderful colors that you could expect from leaves and trees for the autumn. Beautiful shades of orange, red, yellow, the browns. I mean, really a nice arrangement. So if you like to paint autumn landscapes, this could be a great addition to your existing watercolors, or just a beautiful set to make as a gift. If this was helpful to you or you enjoy this unbox and swatch, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ring the bell to be notified when we post a future unbox and swatch video. Thanks so much for watching.